Alright guys, so this is Austin Mobile Glass South location. I just want to give you guys a visual reference. So 4202 Santiago right here. There's A and B. They're in the same parking lot. A is the public storage and B is the series of businesses here in that strip industrial center. We are in B. So if I walk you up, need to see how to get to us. Packages, drop a vehicle off, parts. 4202 Santiago B8. So it's kind of hard to understand if you don't know, so that's why I'm making this video. So you come into the parking lot here. This is building B, and the suite start on this end. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So B like Bravo 8, or some people are calling it just 8. It's going to be down here. Jets Automotive is who we're subleasing, and Austin Mobile Glass right there. So we're closed today, but making the video. So if you need to find us, that's how you find us. Jets Automotive, you can go to them for anything else except glass. We do the glass portion. They do everything else on the vehicle. They do a great job. It's who we recommend for anything else you might need. Body work, real serious auto repair, even minor things, they'll take care of it. Ask for Mike, tell him Mobile Glass sent you. But Austin Mobile Glass South, this is where you find us. Thanks for watching.